The risk is not only the severity of punishment, it's the probability of punishment. If the probability is low, the severity isn't of high consideration. If you're not going to catch me, no matter how severe it is, if I don't perceive it likely to be caught, then I am not going to be of high risk. What we have in our society now is a great unlikelihood that they are caught. And if so, is an even greater unlikelihood that they are convicted. When we look at the numbers that we have before us, the conviction rates are low and the clear-up rates are low. The risk is not only on the severity. You have corrected me to say the severity was low, so you have corrected that by saying 15 years. So you have corrected the low severity. But you have not in any way corrected the low probability of punishment, because we have not had an increase in conviction, an increase in clear-up rate, and an increase in the probability that the criminal is going to be charged and sentenced. So that being the case, I think it is necessary for the public to understand that their expectations should not be exorbitant without those other things that you recommended, Senator Sinclair. Like, for example, I think we should have a Cornwall, Middlesex and Surrey division of the DPP, so that we don't have to be sending man from town and him have to delay every minute and all of those things until the witness can't bother. All of those things have affected. So therefore you should have the overarching DPP, but you have a deputy DPP and him have a unit down in Middlesex, a unit down in Cornwall, and a unit down in Surrey. If we don't move to the lack of delay for readiness, especially from the DPP side, we're often going to have the cases fall apart in short order.